my finger because...
She's giving you a finger. You didn't see it, guys. Go ahead. Show me.
I got my finger.
See, she's giving you a finger.
What is that? People calling me with something about they grant me with loan and the government give me this money.
I can't feed her. I got no more wife.
Well, I'm not. You think I'm gonna leave you because you can't feed me, and till it was freaking fart.
Well,
jack it up.
Somebody's happy. Somebody's happy. Daddy brought you that grass. You're so lucky. This is not the only grass they have, guys. She's so happy. They get more grass. This is from somewhere that Tommy got. And for the cat. You're so happy, little girl. You're so happy, little girl. Happy dimples. So happy. You like it, huh? You like it, huh?
You can eat your grass. You can eat it. What are you crying for? What have you been crying? Did you see the grass? Look, the grass is right here. Your sister and brother have grass right here. Another grass. Let me see what's the dog's reaction, guys. Too lazy, Roxy. You have to lie down on everything. Oh my god. Hi guys, good morning. Roxy almost threw up because she just won't stop eating it. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. Look at my baby, my two baby. And look at the grass. Hubs, you don't even enjoy the grass. Hubs, psst, you don't even enjoy the grass. Why? Only your brothers, your sister enjoy the grass and you. So we're going upstate today, and then dadalhin namin yung aso. Guys. Told you not to come up there. Ay, hard head. You don't listen. Bad girl. You're a bad girl. You're a bad girl. Bad girl. You're a bad girl. Jump in here and then eat that. She like that. Oh, I'm gonna put it down later, okay? I'm gonna put it down later. What do you want? Misty? Oh, my Misty calls you want. Oh, my Misty calls. So, I'm just watching Simply Race also. Mayroong tao sa bahay. May motion. Tignan natin, ha? Tignan natin kung anong ganap sa bahay ngayon. Kasi may motion. May nakikitang motion, guys. Wala namang tao. But may nakikitang motion. Walang namang tao. So, okay lang. May nilista ako dito na kahapon. Kung anong dapat kong dalhin. At may nilista rin ako about to film. But I don't know if I will do it. But I have it right down anyway. And Nutella. I got this from Costco, guys. Nutella. Costco. This cost us like, I think it's $7 something for two. Because if you go to the regular grocery store, Nutella for just this large, it's, I think it is $7, and this one is just like almost 8 for the two of them. I need rice. I'm gonna bring that rice up there. Bread, slicer, oil, dog food, treats. Okay, that's it. We got a lot of candy from Costco. And we bring it there to the other house. Not all of them, but the candy here. The same thing, the other same. And this is open already. Where's the other one? The one that I really like. It's right here. And you know what, guys? I have a lot of candy still from last year Halloween. I have, and it's right here. Oh no, it's not from Halloween. Tommy got it for me. The It's a really good one. I hide it over here because when the kid, he's a candy freak. The kid, so meron dito, marami. Ano to? Ito guys, sarap, masarap ito. Itong Snickers with caramel and stuff, something like that. So, ilagay ko lang ito dito.
You got some of the other.
Huh?
You got the other.
Yeah, we have it here. This one is from in this couch here because this couch here have like a flip storage. I put it in here, and then when the kids are here, he won't eat any food. What he eat is if he found candies, he will eat candies whole day. So that's why I hid it from him. Before we're going 3 hours and before travel, so I'm gonna give this medicine to the dog, you know, throwing up control like that.
You give it to him yet?
Not yet. Okay, now it's time to give it to you guys. Oh, this is very little. Oh. Okay, let me read it. Is this the right one? Okay. Nurture animal. Thomas. There's no dog name here. Expire 11/2. It's almost expired, hon. Do you want to read this? Mama can't open it. Mama can't open it. Warning, not for use in humans, of course. This is how I do it, guys. To give medicine to the dog. Okay. Oh, you swallow it. Good girl, Mitty. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl, Mitty. What a good. Give you pleasure. Like she won't run away. She just let you do what she wants. She just, you know. Okay, try this. Try this. Okay. Roxy. Come here. Don't give me a hard time. Don't give me a hard time. Okay. Okay, try this. Yay, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open. Open your, okay, give me, open your mouth. No, miss. Okay, come here, open your mouth. Try this. Do you want to try this? Do you want to try this? Open your mouth. You threw out. Okay, try this. Do you want to open your mouth? Open your mouth. Come here, open your mouth. Good girl. You Misty. You're still digging, Misty. That's it. That's it. What a good girl. I learned that how to give medicine to the dog from the vet. You just put it in their mouth, in the side. Where is my Roxy girl? Roxy, help me. I need your help. I need your help. Roxy, go away. Roxy, I need your help.
And you forever I'll follow.
Whatever. Okay, I'll put this right here. That means you can't use it. What a freaking dog. This blanket is clean too, baby. This blanket is clean. Yes, super clean. Ang clean naman ng bed nila. Tingnan niyo. Sobra, pwede akong mahiga. Sobrang clean at saka very comfortable yung bed nila. Ay, nako. Sana meron akong ganyan. Komportableng bed sa bahay ng isang bahay. Kasi wala akong bed doon. Carpet lang. Carpet sa kamalaking pilo. Pilo. And I don't have flower in the other house. So, probably it's down here. Let's see. Oh, it's right here. I am correct. Correct. But walang ilaw. Let me see if it's a flower, not freaking sugar. Let's see. Yeah, best all-purpose flower. Naliligo pa yung asawa ko at saka pagkatapos nito alis na kami. At ay, nakakapagod. Hindi naman sobrang pagod. Ano lang, nakakainis tong asawa ko. Kasi, hinahanap siya guys. Yun yung asawa ko. Pag may hinahanap na yan, at hindi niya nakita, ako talaga ang i-blame. Saan mo nilagay? Ganito, ganito. At, away lagi. Basta ako'y anuhin niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige, pag mawalan ka, ikaw talaga ang may gawa. Ano mo sa akin, isisi mo sa akin para masaya ka. And then, so I was looking after. I said, looking, because he has two laptop bag. And, so yun ang ginagawa ko. Hinahanap ko yung bag na hindi niya tinitignan. Itong malaking laptop bag dito. Sabi ko sa kanya, here, you're looking for it, dito lang, it's in your laptop bag. And he says, I never bring it, I never put it in my bag. Okay, then I'm sorry, I think I did put that in your bag. It's pissed me off like crazy, shocking thing. It's like, palagi na lang ako, guys. Masakit ang ulo ko kahapon hanggang kaninang umaga until this morning. I think that was like, I woke up like 3 o'clock in the morning. My head is killing me. And it started last night. It started yesterday afternoon. And it started because I was with this the whole day. And plus with the laptop the whole day. So that's why I decided to just like take a lot of Advil. And this one I don't wear this yesterday. And this one helps me really to just like kind of blocking a little bit with the screen. Oh.
Akong bossing, oh.
Hi, bossing!
Dili, oy, dili. Nagunsa mo kang nag-camera man sa ka.
Nag-vlogging, oy!
Ha?
Nag-vlog.
Ano sa na-download?
Oh.
Sa YouTube.
Nutty is a fruit cake.
Somebody texted me. It's my boyfriend. Han. I'm having the rice and the mom made this one that everybody forgot, and I just realized. Look. What's the name of this?
Broccoli Rob.
Broccoli Rob.
Link doesn't work anyway.
Bet also.
I had to go to App Store to get it because that link doesn't work. It just apparently it doesn't work in Safari.
So that means we are not Safari.
No, but
we are Safari.
Well, Safari. Yeah, but I can put Google on my friggin' phone to do it with. But I'd rather just go to the App Store and get it.
I guess he's still not ready. Yeah, he's not ready. Look at that face. Where is Hubs?
Upstairs in the bed.
Hubs!
Bed. I'm right here. What? Count?
Dimpler.
I can shut off too if I'll use the
I'm gonna say bye to my little boy. I'm gonna be bye to her too, hon. I'm gonna kiss her. I want my abdi boy. I want my abdi boy. I want my abdi boy na, uy. I want my little boy. Don't, I love you too much. Don't. I love you. Do you want treaties? Do you want treaties? Do you want treaties? Do you want treaties? Lipstick. It's a lipstick. Do you want? Okay. Bye, Hubs. I love you. Hair damps. Treaties before we go. Yeah, treaties. No, they won't.
They do that. We dead before we get there.
No, they won't even like treats.
Is that all the time you got?
Yeah. Hi, Rox. No, you stay over there, okay? We're going. We're going. Okay, Mama's going to drive, okay? Okay, you have to open some window because it's hot in here. Okay. So that's good. Anyway.
I don't vlog.
Yeah, we're going to the house and Tommy is holding the camera. I told him to do it. Hi, honey.
Very dark. Your face is dark because of all the light outside the window.
Yeah.
You
And-
just put backlight on.
And also, what is going on?
Roxy didn't get her time in. Oh, yawn, big yawn. Okay.
At least they're relaxing, man.
Yeah.
Which is really good because I think the medicine helped for like two medicine each of them, and 2 medicine each of them, and it's been how many hours already? We start 9 o'clock.
9:30.
9:30. And I cut my finger. Oh, I cut my finger because
She's giving you a finger. You didn't see it, guys. Go ahead. Show
I
me.
cut my finger.
See, she's giving you a finger.
No, it's not a middle finger.
They can't tell the way I recorded it.
Oh my god, guys, we're stopping in Walmart right now, and then these 2 dogs are drooling. Roxy, are you drooling? Are you drooling, baby? Yeah. Misty is shaking. Misty is kind of dog that always like. Misty is a kind of dog that it's going to shake, shake, shake. Roxy is drool, drool, drool. I think the medicine doesn't work. She's drooling too. She's shaking. She's drooling. Misty, you're good, baby. Na every time we stop, they're kind of afraid. So I'm just like waiting for Tommy. So Tommy got chicken. He got this. They like this, and they don't like this one.
You like that one?
This one, the alpo. And my vegetables, bok choy. Did you get eggplant?
I did get it.
Okay. String beans, eggplant, and mushroom. And egg. And what else? And more bones, the dog. And more bacon bits, bacon something strips. And more pedigree. This is something, I don't know. Gonna put the Christmas tree early here because I don't have nothing to do here, no painting, nothing. So I'm gonna put the Christmas tree. That Christmas, it's gonna be here. It's gonna be, I'm just gonna poke it like this. Poke it, poke it. Ah! Right, Rox. Sobrang sakit talaga, Rox. Ang sakit ng dibdib ko, Rox. Roxy, masakit yung dibdib ko, Rox. Rox! And look at this other one here. Rox, masakit ang dibdib ko, Rox. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hi. Can I speak with Maryann?
Yeah, this is Maryann.
Yeah, hi, Maryann. This is Aaron Carter calling you from Government Grants Department. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Ma'am, the reason I'm calling you, do you remember that you applied for government grant money for financial aid from state government?
A financial aid? No, that was a long time ago.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm talking about that same application that you filled. Because it takes some time to get a person qualified because your application was taken under consideration by the state government and your name has been qualified for residency.
Okay. And? Hello?
Which you can utilize for your business education. Okay.
Okay.
And you don't have to pay this later from the government, or you have to pay any sort of tax or interest on it, okay?
Okay.
So now, Maryann, as you being the qualified person, we are doing online here of $3.87 on our bank account. It's just where you name and you is the right person for business, okay?
Okay.
So I'm registering your grants under your name, and I got your name and Maryann.
Oh, excuse me. What if I'm not interested in this anymore?
Sorry.
What if I'm not gonna do it? Because I'm not really going to do it. Use it or
You don't want your grants, man?
no.
There's a reason for you, I guess, you guess what?
No, because I'm not gonna really use it. It's been a long time, and you know,
Sorry.
I'm not gonna use it. It's really been a long time before I received the call, and I'm not really interested anyway. You know.
Okay, so you have everything, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, so Maryann, with your prior application, can I decline your application?
Yeah, please.
Okay, you're a good person. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Well, what is that? People calling me with something about they grant me with loan and the government give me this money, and you know all you have to do is do the application, this, that, and you don't have to pay the government back. This is bullshit. I can see it already. I said, and we have to give you an account that you know they will.
Yeah, it's gonna be your social security number in your bank account, so you deposit it.
No. Oh, my husband and I will be. He's leaving me today. Leaving me today. He always
Work
leave
is
me,
work.
guys. He always leave me. Put the hand out.
Work.
I didn't work. I didn't
Bills. So never stop.
He always prioritizes his job than to his wife.
A wife and job go hand in hand. If I can't feed her, I got no more wife.
Well, I'm not. You think I'm gonna leave you because you can't feed me, and till it does freaking fart.
Well, we may die that way.
Till it does freaking fart. I will sleep with you in the box.
Yeah.
I love you. Oh my God, the dog is barking somewhere.
It's okay. I found
They found something in there, the other side.
Probably a rabbit.
He is my cutie pie, nabaho ng pinaypay. Smoker. I really thought this one is going to die, this one.
Why?
I really thought it's going to die.
Why would you think that?
Because there's a lot of browns before. Angelo picked all the brown. And he put the brown. Angelo picked all the brown. We have to pick all this brown thing.
Little inch.
Yeah. But this one, I really thought they would go die. I need another water because I can see that the leaves are very unhappy looking.
Yeah, well.
I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to. If you want me to, 'cause we can run. And we can run. The stars that fall all for you. So tell me now what's left.
Insert shout out to Lovely Steve. Hi Lovely Steve, thank you for watching. And shout out to Jean M. Peters. Hi Jean M. Peters. Hi Jean. Jean M. Peters. Hi. Happy birthday. I don't know if it's today is your birthday or yesterday or next day, but if it's ever late, happy belated. And if it's not late, happy birthday. And thank you so much for watching. And I wanna do a shout out to Looney. That's her name in Instagram. Looney Wanderer 11. Hi friend. Thank you for watching in my vlog. And she's from Ohio. Hi sis. And I'm sorry if I reply late to your message. And let's continue to watch my vlog. Bye. So Tommy put a candy over here for for the kids. So there's a lot more candy, but he put it over here. So I'm just doing the salmon. Tommy likes it when it's like this, cook it like this. It's like when you really fry it, different about fry baking. When you fry it, it's you have to the pan, it needs to be heated really good. And it's moist and it's crunchy. I am making mushroom, guys. I love mushrooms. And this is the salmon. It's kind of brown here. It's crunchy, but if you go under there, inside of the salmon, it's very moist, and that's a good thing about it. Yummers! We're just watching the show, guys, and we're just on the floor. So, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. The fight with the bone, and then we can. No, we can't go to sleep because they make too much noise. So anyway guys, good night. I will see you tomorrow guys. I'm just gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And bye. Say good night, Han. Bye. Han. Bye.
Is that what?
I texted you.
Yeah.
And you have to read it while people around us text you.
What?
I need your help. You make me mad.